very good morning to you all, my dear students. Are you happy? Okay, fine. Already we are completed first two chapters, isn't it? Okay. What is the first chapter name? Rational numbers. Okay. What is the second chapter name? Okay, good. Exponents, isn't it? Okay. What is rational number? Can you say? Fine. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed as p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Isn't it? Then, what is exponents? Yes. For example, 4 cube. Here, 3 is exponent and 4 is a base. Isn't it? 3 is exponent and 4 is base. Okay. Can you say some square numbers? Yes. 1 square equal to 1. 1 into 1. 2 square. 2 into 2. 4. Isn't it? Then 3 square. 3 3s are 9. Then 4 4s are 16. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. These are the square numbers. Isn't it? Okay. Can you guess the today's topic? Can you guess? Yes. Squares and square roots. Today's topic, squares and square roots. Isn't it? Okay, good. Square roots. Chapter 3, squares and square roots. Okay. Now here square numbers and roots. Square roots. Okay. Now here what is square number? Do you know what is square numbers? Square numbers means when a number is multiplied by itself. Okay. When a number is multiplied by itself, then we say that the number is square number. Okay. We say that the number is square number. For example, 1. When a number 1 into multiplied by itself, 1 equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. Isn't it? Now, 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 into 3 equal to 3. Now here 1 into 1 is equal to 1 2 times. 1 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 2 times, isn't it? So, what's the square number? 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are, sorry, here 9. Now here 4 square. 4 into 4 equal to 16, etc. Isn't it? Now, what are the square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the square numbers. Okay, are you clear? When a number is multiplied by itself, that number is called square numbers. Are you clear? Now, we can take any one number. 25. If you take 25, multiplied by itself, 25 is equal to what? 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 2 balance. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 2, 6. 625. So, 625 also square number. Are you clear? You can multiply by itself. 25 into 25, we will get 625. So, 625 also square number. Are you clear? Okay. Then, properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers. First one, the digit at the ones place in all the square numbers are 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. The digit at the ones place in all the square numbers are 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, what is this? Now we can write the square numbers. Okay, what are the square numbers? 1 into 1. 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. 11 into 11, 121. 12 into 12, 144. 13 into 13, 169, etc. Then 14 into 14, 15 into 15, like this. Okay. These are the square numbers. Now what is the first property? The digit at the ones place in all the square numbers are 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Now listen, these are the square numbers. Okay. This is the one digit. No need to see. This is the ones place, isn't it? Here only one digit number. So this is the ones place. Ones place we have 0, 1, 5, 6, 9. This is 9. This is 4. Here 4 also. Okay. 0, 1, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 4, then 9. 9. Ones place what? 6. 6. Here ones place 5. 5. Ones place 6, 9, 4, 1. Okay. Then ones place is 0. 0. So these are the numbers are square numbers. So only this what said this property? They at the ones place in all the square numbers are 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. We have any square number means that ones place must 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. That is the square, that is the perfect square. Okay, that is the square number. Then, but it is not necessary. For some numbers is not a square number. For example, but all the square numbers in ones place, this 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. But except some numbers. What are the numbers? 24 like this, 24. Then 104. Then yes, here listen here ones place 4. But square number means that we have ones place 4, isn't it? But this 24 is not square number. 104 also not square number. How? Here 24. Here 16 after 25 square number. This is not square number. But ones place is 4. But this is not, it is not necessary for all numbers. Are you clear? What's the condition? If we have any square number, that ones place must we have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 6 or 9. Some numbers have this 4, 8 like this have, but that is not square number. Are you clear? Okay. Now second point, there is no square number which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 is not perfect square. Okay. Suppose any number have in the ones place 8, 7, 3, 2. This ones place 2, 3, 7, 8. These are the numbers are not perfect square. Suppose given in one number 348. Then 3467. This is square number or not? How to identify? Just you see this ones place. Ones place we have 8. Suppose ones place 8 have, this is not a square number because that property. What's the property? There is no square number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 is not perfect square. That end number is 2, 3, 7 or 8. 7, 8, then 2 also, 342. This is ones place is 2. So this is not a square number. Are you clear? Now understand what is the square number. If these numbers are square number means that ones place must we have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. This is not a square number because this ones place is 2, 3, 7, 8. So this is not a perfect square. Are you clear? Okay. Third property, numbers ending with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The corresponding squares end with. Now we can write any one numbers for nth number is 0 and nth number is 4. We can take any one number. Here I wrote 10, 20, 800, 14, 24, 144. I need this one's place is 0 and 4. So I take this 10, 20, 800. You can take any one number. Okay. Now we want to write the square of 10. What is the square of value? 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So what's the ones place? Ones place is 0. The corresponding squares. Now we can write here only 0. Okay. Now we can write here only 0. Now 10, 20, 800, then 140 also we can take. Now you check 140 into 140, 0, 0, 16, 5, isn't it? See, 0, 4, 1. 0, 0, 6, 9, 1. What's the ones digit? Ones digit is 0. Are you clear? If you write any one numbers ending with 0, the corresponding squares also end with 0. Corresponding square also end is 0. Are you clear? Now, numbers ending with 1 and 9. Can you write any one number? 11, then 21, 31, okay, now 1, then ones digit 9, 39, 99, 89, etc. You can take any one number, isn't it? Now listen, square of 11 is 11 into 11. Here corresponding squares, 11 into 11. 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. 121. What's the ones digit? 1. So that squares end with 1. Now here 1 into 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. That is the ones digit, isn't it? Now we can identify, no need to multiply. Now we can identify, just you multiply by number itself. That ones digit, what is ones digit? 9. 9 nines are 81. 81, 1 is the 81. 1 is the ones digit. So here the corresponding squares end with 1. If we have any number that ones digit is 1 or 9, the corresponding squares also end with 1. Are you clear? 1 and 9 means that corresponding squares are end with 1. Now here 2 and 8. Now here we can write 142, 22, 82. Then 8, 48, 78, 98. We can take 3 digit, 4 digit numbers also, no problem. Now listen, here ones digit what? 2. What is the square of 2? 2 to 4. What's the ones place? 4. So here ones place is 4. Now 22. Can you check 22? 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Yeah, 4, 8, 4. Did you get ones digit? It's 4. What is the ones digit? 4. Like this 98. Can you check 98? 98 into 98. 8 8s are 64. 6 balance. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 6, 78. 9 8s are 72. 7 balance. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 7, 88. 4, 10, 1 balance, 16, 1 balance, 9. 9,604. What's the ones digit? 4. So ones digit always 4. If we have any number ending with 2 or 8, the corresponding squares end with 4. The corresponding squares end with 4. Are you clear? Now 5. 5 means 125, 85, 5 also we can take. 5 5 are 25. 25 means one's place is 5, isn't it? Now 1005. Now what's the ones place is? 125 into 125. You can multiply that one's digit is, one's place is 5. Always 5. If you take any one number ending with 5, that corresponding squares also end with 5. Okay. Now 4 and 6. For example, 84, 104, then 6, 36, 876. Okay. How can you check? No need to multiply. Easily we can find out. How? 4. 4 fours are 16. Which is the ones digit? 16. 16. Which is the ones digit? 6. So this is corresponding squares end with 6. Now 4 fours are 16. 6. Now 6 6 are 36. Which is the ones digit? 6. So we can write 6. And the corresponding squares end with 6. Now 876. 6 6 are 36. 36 ones digit is, ones place is 6. So the corresponding squares end with 6. If you take any numbers ending with 4 and 6, the corresponding squares also end with 6. Are you clear? Okay. Now 3 and 7. 33, 83, 103. Now 47, 807. You can take in one number. Now listen. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. What is the ones digit? 9. 7 7s are 49. 49, which is the ones place? Ones place is 9. So, if you take any one number ending with 3 or 7, 3 or 7, the corresponding squares also end with 9. The corresponding squares end with 9. Okay, corresponding squares end with 9. Now are you clear? Now here, if you take any one number end with 0, that is corresponding squares also end with 0. If you take any one number that is ones digit is 1 and 9, that corresponding square end with 1. Now here 2 and 8, the corresponding square end with 4. 5 means the corresponding square end with 5. 4 and 6 means the corresponding square end with 6. 3 and 7, the corresponding square end with 9. Are you clear? This is the third property. We know that properties of square numbers of natural numbers, isn't it? We know that 3 properties, isn't it? First 3 properties. Now we can use that properties and do some problems. Okay. Now first one. What is the ones digit of the following squares? What is the ones digit of the following square? Now here first one, 22 square. 22 square means how many times? 22 2 times. 22 into 22. Now we can multiply, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. Ones digit. Now first you multiply ones place. 2 2s are 4. So what's the ones digit? What is the ones digit of the following square? 4. Okay. So 4 is the ones digit of 22 square. Okay. 4 is the ones digit of 22 square. Are you clear? Which is the ones digit? 4. How? Otherwise you can multiply. 22 into 22. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. What's the answer? 4, 8, 4. Which is the ones digit? This is ones, tens, 100. Ones place. What's the ones place? Ones place is 4, isn't it? Ones place 4. So this answer 4 is the ones, not digit, ones place. Okay. Otherwise you can write ones digit also. Okay. Because we are given ones digit of the following squares. Okay. So 4 is the ones digit of 22 square. Clear? In the same way, second question, already we learned the tabular column, isn't it? Here, any one number that ones digit is 6 means that corresponding square also 6. Now check it. 76 square is equal to 76 into 76. 6 6 are 36. Which is the ones digit? 6. So 6 is the ones digit of 76 square. Okay. 6 is the ones digit of 76 square. Are you clear? Okay. Then next question. Now here 8. 8 8s are 64. 64. Which is the ones place? 4. So here 4. Now we can check. 88 square is equal to 88 into 88. Now 8 8s are 64. 64. Which is the ones place? 4. So we can write here 4 is the ones digit of 4 is the ones digit of 88 square. Otherwise, you can multiply like this, okay? If you can't identify like this, if you feel this is very difficult, you can multiply 88 into 88. You will get answer from there, which is the ones digit. That number is we can write. There, here is 88. Otherwise, you can easily see 88 are 64. Otherwise, here ones digit is 8. Just you multiply that number itself. 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 64. Ones place is 4. So, 4 is the ones digit of 88 square. Now, 94. 94 square is equal to 94 into 94. Now, here multiply. Say 4 4s are 16. Which is the ones place? 6. 16. Which is the ones place? 6. Tens place? 1. Now we can find out ones place. What is the ones place? 6. So 6 is the ones digit of 94 square. Clear? Okay. Then next, fifth one, 49 square. 49 square means 49 inch square is equal to 49 into 49. 9 9s are 81. Here we have which is the ones place? 1. So 1 is the ones digit of 49 square. 49 square. Okay. Then last one, 154 square. 154 square is equal to 154 into 154. Now we can multiply ones place. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Here which is the ones place? 6. So 6, therefore 6 is the ones digit of 154 square. 154 square. Are you clear? If you have any doubt means you can multiply 2 times that number itself. What is the ones place? That is the answer. Clear? Okay. Which of the following can be perfect square? Give reason. Which of the following can be perfect square? Give reason. Already we know that what is the square number. If we have any square number, that ones place 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Isn't it? That is the perfect square. If we have that ones digit is 8, 7, 3 and 2 means that is not perfect square. Are you clear? Okay. Now, first number 12,348. Here which is the ones digit is 8. Here ones digit 8. If we have ones digit 8 means that is not square number. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so we can leave this. Now, 21,200. Ones place is 0. 0 means that is perfect square. So we can write 21,200 can be a perfect square as it has a 0 in the ones place. 0 in the ones place. Are you clear? Now, third one, 599. 599. Here, ones place is 9. There, 9 means that is the square number. So, we can write 599 can be a perfect square. Perfect square. Okay. Perfect square. As it has a 9 in the ones place. Okay. 9 in the ones place. Clear? 9 in the ones place. Okay, so this and this two square number. Now 8,279. Here ones place is 7. If we have ones place 7 means that is not square number. Okay, this is not square number. Now 126. Ones place 6, isn't it? Ones place is 6. Ones place 6 means that is a perfect square. So we can write 126 can be a perfect square. Okay, can be a perfect square as it has a, which is the ones place 6. 6 in the ones place. 6 in the ones place. Okay, 6 in the ones place. Now here 100,225. This is also perfect square because here ones digit is 5. 5 means that is the square number. Now next number listen. This is 2. 2 is a not square number, isn't it? So this is not square number. No, so we can write 1225. Okay. So we can write 1225 can be perfect square as it has is 5 in the ones place. Okay. 1225 can be a perfect square. Can be a perfect square as it has a, which is the ones digit 5. 5 in the ones place. Okay, 5 in the ones place. Clear? Okay, how can you identify which is a perfect pair, which is not square number? Now just to listen these two. What is the square number? That ones place is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. That is not square number means that ones place is 8, 7, 3 and 2. Already I said suppose any one digit 4 down means that number sometimes that is impossible may or may not be. Okay, that is not necessary, just to check it. Okay, otherwise all square numbers have n number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Clear? Okay. Today's homework, book page number 38, exercise 3.1, question number 1, 7th question and 8th question. Okay, only 2 questions homework. Okay, now first to last that properties everything you write in the maths note. Okay, from this video we can see next class. Thank you.